We're heading for an inspection at Centenary City, and I thought to bring you along. I'm picking up the client here at SPAR ENUGU Mall. I'm picking up the client here, and then we're heading there. Come along, sure you enjoy this video. SPAR is a shopping plaza or shopping center here in Enugu, and we're going to be doing a drive-through video. I'm going for an inspection at Centenary. That's the cash. That building there is the cash. It's just opposite SPAR. This is SPAR. There are other shops at this Enugu Mall. You can see some other shops, but SPAR is the biggest shop here, and I think that is why this place is called SPAR. Well, you can see there are other shops. There's even an eye clinic. There's a laundry. There's a laundry mat here too. There is an interior shop. There is this Med Plus. This is at Enugu Mall. This place is called Enugu Mall, but popularly known as SPAR. And that is the foods court. There you can see different foods, and Kilimanjaro too is there. There's a cinema there as well. There's a car wash down there, but I don't think the cinema works any longer. There's a lot of parking space here at SPAR. So let's go. There's a car wash down there, and there's ample parking space here at Enugu Mall. This is Enugu Mall. You can see exits. So let's go. We are going to Centenary for an inspection, and so I'm bringing you along. This is a new hotel, Bon Hotel Platinum. It's a new hotel. You can see, I think they just finished it this month. It looks good. So this is Independence Layout. This is Independence Layout. SPAR is in Independence Layout, just opposite Opera Square, and beside Enugu House of Assembly. That's where SPAR is. This is Roots. Roots is a restaurant. Roots is a restaurant. Yeah, Roots is a restaurant. So let's go to Centenary. Let's head over to Centenary. This is Opera Square. That's the Enugu Mall there. That's Opera Square. Today is a Saturday, so you can see a number of cars. Today is Enugu House of Assembly. So yeah, we go on free inspections. You're interested in any of our properties, please call. We will schedule a day for a free inspection and take you there so you can see the property. Okay, this is Waec Junction. Courts, all the courts are along this road to the left, but we're heading straight. We're actually going straight towards the express. We're heading towards the express. This road straight leads to the express. Living in Enugu somehow should pass through here. So Waec is a busy junction. The next bus stop is Agribank, or the next junction rather is Agribank, because this is Bank of Agriculture. That's why this place is called Agribank Junction, because the Bank of Agriculture is very close to this place, so they call it Agribank Junction. This is unec office, where you can see it's closed out. It's closed out. After the Enugu local government elections, they closed it out. Yeah. So this road straight out leads to the express. This is Independence Layout Extension. You can actually call it extension. That's Republic Layout, and that's also where Republic Estate is. That's where we're headed now. And that is why Centenary is a well sought after place, because it's not too far from Independence Layout. I think that's also why it's one of the fastest developing places right now when it comes to real estate in Enugu, Centenary City. Okay. So let's go. So this is Republic Layout. Monkeys Roundabout. If you heard of Monkeys Roundabout, this is it. See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. That's the roundabout. EFCC office is that side. Sorry about that. Yeah, so this is Republic. I recently heard that this is Independence Layout extension. All right, now I understand why this place is as pricey as it is, because it's joined to Independence Layout. I'm imagining in a few years when Independence Layout Phase 2 and Centenary City will be joined to Independence Layout, because it's going to happen. I'm actually seeing it happen. When it's joined, then of course the price of Independence Layout will go up. A plot of land within this area, especially along this road, is not less than 50 million naira. If you see, it's not less than 50 million naira, especially along like this empty plot now. If you go there and price it, if the person wants to sell, for instance, it won't be less than 50 million naira, you know, or this one that someone is building on right now, you know. So this place, this tricycle is coming out from Keke, is the Republic Estate. It's a beautiful estate actually, right here. Beautiful estate. So we're going to Centenary, and this area is Republic Layout. Republic Layout. Okay. For all your landed properties, houses in Enugu, please call us on 080967376668. This is one of my finest roads in Enugu. I like the way this road slants into the express. You can see that's the express. That's Enugu Port Harcourt Express. And when you're leaving Independence Layout to join the express, see how the road connects. It's so beautiful. Read the trees. Don't you think so? Let me know in the comments, what do you think? I know it's beautiful. Please like this video if you're enjoying it. We're heading to Centenary City Enugu. So this is an update video, 2022 Centenary City, road to Centenary City Enugu. This is Ugwaji flyover. This area is Ugwaji flyover. You can see the bridge. That's Ugwaji bridge down there. That's the bridge, Ugwaji bridge. See developments everywhere, houses, buildings, on both sides of the express. And the other side of the road too has been opened, so that has made access easier in this environment. As you can see, cars are plying that side too, so it has made access in this area easier. So we're heading to Centenary City. Client inspection. So in Centenary City, we have properties ranging from 20 million naira down to 3.5 million naira. The least property we have in Centenary is actually behind Centenary, is 3.5 million naira. That is Hilly Estate. Hilly Estate is just opposite the entrance of Centenary. You can see in less than 7 minutes we are at Centenary. In less than 7 minutes from Independence Layout, we are at Centenary. You can see how close Centenary is. So this is Centenary City. Centenary City Enugu. You can see development. I'm sure the last time you were here, it didn't look as good as this. There's construction going on here. Alright, there's doctor's quarters. So you can see this is Centenary City. Development is going on here. a fine house. There's a car wash here, car wash and a bar. There is a shopping plaza there. So straight up is Centenary entrance. Okay, let's go to the entrance of Centenary first. So this is Sporter Lifestyle Estate. Plots here currently going for 25 to 30 million naira a plot. And down there is Centenary City entrance. You can see it, that's the entrance gate of Centenary City. We have plots in Centenary City that ranging from 50 million naira estate in Centenary. We have a 17 million, we have a 20 million right inside Centenary City and estate. We have mini estates inside the main estate, and then we have lands also in the main estate. So call us today and pick up yours. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, I am Jeff Anozie and I'm your real estate consultant based right here in Enugu, but we cover properties in Owerri, Awka, abakaliki and Enugu right here. So if you're looking for a property, please send a message to that number right there, or call us on 0809-673-7668, and definitely we will hook you up with your best budget. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of it. And if you're looking for, if you want us to create a video for any other place in Enugu, please let us know in the comments section. I will sure try to make that work. Till then, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.